Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most enjoyable way. You don't have to study hard or memorize anything. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll start learning English naturally while discovering amazing parts of American life. Today's video is about one of the most iconic landmarks in the world of movies, fame, and celebrity culture, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. You've probably seen pictures of the stars on the sidewalk, but what's the real story behind them? Why is the Walk of Fame so important in the U.S.? And what does it actually mean to have a star there? Let's take a walk through Hollywood history. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is located along Hollywood Boulevard and Vine Street in Los Angeles, California. It was created in 1960 to celebrate the entertainment industry and honor the achievements of artists in film, television, music, radio, and theater. Each pink terrazzo star on the sidewalk features the name of a celebrity and a symbol representing their area of work, like a movie camera for actors or a music note for singers. But here's something many people don't know. The stars on the Walk of Fame are not just given for free. They are awarded by the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce, and there is a nomination process. Even more surprising, there's a fee to receive a star. The money goes toward maintenance and the ceremony itself. So, getting a star means recognition and investment. Over the years, more than 2,700 stars have been placed on the Walk of Fame. Some belong to legends like Marilyn Monroe, Michael Jackson, and Walt Disney, while others go to modern stars like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson or Jennifer Lopez. Even fictional characters like Mickey Mouse and Godzilla have their own stars. The Walk of Fame is not just a tourist attraction. It's a symbol of the American dream. It represents success, hard work, creativity, and the power of entertainment. People from all over the world come to visit, take pictures, and feel connected to their favorite stars. But it's also a reminder of how much impact artists can have, not just in movies or music, but on culture, identity, and imagination. Each star on the sidewalk tells a story of someone who inspired millions. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning the story behind the Hollywood Walk of Fame, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your moment to practice your English and reinforce everything you've learned. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us continue growing and creating amazing content just for you. See you in the next adventure.